Hello and welcome to a tutorial on how to make human burrito. So you take your blankie, this is your tortilla. This is the human we're eating today. So human, can you help me prepare yourself into burrito? Thank you. So you take, oh, where'd the other corner go? You take the two corners.
Wait, no, you're taking this horizontal corner.
You have to take two corners from the blankie. And then you just set it down carefully. All right. And now, actually, since this is a good burrito, it's going to be a good burrito, we're gonna fold the sides so they don't drown in the blanket. Just fold them in a little bit, both sides. Yeah. All right. And now, you need to have your human, the insides of the burrito, lay down on the blanket. See? And now you take the side of the blanket and you have to tell your human to hold it. Hold it, human. Okay. Let me just get this here. This here. All right, now roll, human, roll. The human does the work for you, so you don't really have to worry. Roll faster. Don't mind if the human drowns, that'll just make it a better burrito. Oh, I think the human needs some help. Give it a good shove. There you go. Now you got a nice tasty burrito. Hum, hum,
I can't see anything.
It's because you're being eaten. And if your human is stuck in there and you want to let it out, tell it to roll to the other way. Human, roll the other way. Thank you. There you go. That's how you undo the burrito and do the burrito. Thank you for watching. Tutorial on how to make a human burrito. Dog, she just wants to get through. Hello, this is a tutorial on how to make human burrito.
Mally, go.
Hey, stop! This is our blankie.
Mally, let's go sit. Let's go.
Let go.
You want to go on top?
Wow.